In this video, I'm going to talk about why right now might be the absolute worst time to invest in the stock market. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel about Austrian investing, but it's also about freedom, limited government, lower taxes, Austrian economics. Those are other topics that I'm passionate about. The very first video I posted on my channel was back in February, and then I said we were probably months away from a top in the stock market. Now it's November, about 9 months later, and there's flashing red signs everywhere. If you've seen Tesla, that looks like a parabolic blow off top if I've ever seen one. Tesla is, in my opinion, the biggest single stock bubble in history. We have all the classic signs of a bubble, tons of momentum chasers, herding mentality, people making fun of value investors. I don't know if you saw, there's a commercial out with Tom Brady pumping Hertz. There was a recent article a couple weeks ago from my favorite investor, Mark Spitznagel. In the article, he does say that this could literally be one of the worst times for stocks. If you look at any type of valuation metric, like the Buffett indicator, Tobin's Q, there's tons of them, but they are all at extreme levels. This type of thing can last for a while, but it can't last forever. Regarding the article in the Financial Times on Mark, I'm gonna post a link to that in the description. Mark has a book out called Safe Haven. That's his latest book. One of the things that Mark talks about is that traditional safe havens that the investment community wants you to think are safe actually don't really work. They're not true safe havens. And he talks about what is a true safe haven. In my opinion, now Mark isn't totally as bullish on gold as I am, but I do believe that gold is a safe haven and an inflation hedge. A lot of people are starting to doubt that now because of all the money that has gone into Bitcoin and how gold has underperformed since about August of last year. I think that it's been consolidating this whole time and it's getting ready to make its next huge move higher. All it's waiting on right now is for the stock market to break, and we have to be close. I mean, all the classic signs are there. I hope to be posting a lot more videos to this channel. I saw today that I have 90 subscribers. I'm very thankful for that. If you're watching this and you are interested in the topics I'm talking about, please consider subscribing. It would be awesome to hit 100. My vision for this channel is to have it be a lot like George Gammon. He has the George Gammon channel where he talks a lot of macroeconomics and Austrian economics, freedom, free markets, capitalism. He also has the Rebel Capitalist channel, which is doing really well. He's posting a lot of videos to that right now. And he just had a great video the other day about people like me who want to start their own channels and advocating these principles. And that's exactly what I want to do. This is my first time trying an unscripted video like this, so I hope that you got something out of it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.